Labas tayo mga Zai and Zong. Kining isa, uy, kay hindi siya mahiluna, day. He can't survive without me in his side. Sorry. Kaluod ba? Kaluod ba, day? It's raining now. Di siya mulakaw, day, og siya ra. Gusto niya, ubanon po ang iyang asawa nga tapulan. Gusto niya mag-walking tag 100 ka step all the time. My love, when we go back to Thailand, I want to buy a extra lens. Extra lens. In case I will lose it.
Don't you have the wide angle on now?
It is because, but it's like this, you see. And also the indie filter. The filter same like you have. Hi! Daming tubig dito. Hala, rain na, day. It's raining now.
It's not raining now. Why you bullshit?
It's raining. Why can you not feel like that? Saan may tahanan eh? Hala. Kaihion ko, day. Siya ba? Okay. Yung mahiluna, di makagunit sa tong kamot. Wa na, nanay ulan. Ulan na, day. Ulan na. Tignan nyo yung rice. Oh. It's getting to be harvest soon. Are you sure here? Ang ganda naman ng ano nila dito, day. Oh. It's very creativity.
Caramba, Mustafa.
Ulan na. Ang ganda ng simoy ng hangin. It's very fresh. Fresh and air. Do they have internet here?
Do you have to order up there or what?
For them, you order them. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Ito na yung may goreng. Dahil walay rice, dahil yung malumos gas noodles ni mo diha. Antikels. Okay na lang na, oy, kaysa naman mag-cup noodles ka na sobrang parat. Bag. I want bag. Hala, look at this, my love. Look. Come here. Daming tissue. For you. Look, it's nice. There's a white one. Di lagi ka mo palit for yourself. You wanna go up to the Indian? Wala. I think you will get the rain. You take this, babe. Uulan na, day. Asa na si Dudong? Namiya na oh. Punta kami doon sa Indian. Favorite restaurant niya. Tingnan niyo yung saging oh. Daming tubig dito day oh. Ay, may maliit na tindahan oh. Look this store here. It's too small. May pinatayong hotel din dito oh. Tingnan niyo yung tubig day oh. Ang ganda. Kunti lang mang ano dito oh. Kunti ra lagi ang mga rice dito Zay. Who's that? It's your brother. Is that my love? New shop oh. What you gonna do down there in Indian? Do you want to eat up there?
No, it's gonna rain, you know, we can't go that far.
It's raining now. Daming tubig oh. Grabe day ang tubig. Sobrang dami. May bagong ano din doon oh. There's a new hotel here. Ang ganda dito mga Inday, mag-walking around ka, parang napaka-relax ng ano mo. Napaka-relax ng ambience. Do you wanna run and then back? I wait you here. So you can get some exercise. Problema, manggumi siya, kaya siya exercise.
Yeah, you check this now.
I wait here ha. Go run. Baby run. Gusto niya dahil mag-exercise. So, kailangan nating pagbigyan siya. Kasi ayaw niyang mag-walking mga Inday kung siya lang isa. So, sinasamahan ko siya. And then, ang ending day, mahihiya ako pupunta sa restaurant nang wala kaming in order, no? So, magastuhan dyan mi day. Ay, alam niyo na yung anti-calls ninyo na sobra kay kaarte. Tanawa kanina, ito, naka-order ako ng nasiguring nang wala sa oras, walay rice. Baka may rice doon sila sa hotel. Maghingi na lang ako sa kanila. Actually, sa hotel kasi namin, wala sila restaurant. Hindi kagaya nung ibang hotel na naistihan namin day na may ano sila, may restaurant. Tignan nyo, ang ganda ng tubig day. May nagsabi dito sa akin last time na Inday ani, kaya maraming tubig. Ice cream, ice cream. Sana all. Kaluoy ni kuya, oy, kuya. May pagitagaan ako siya kaming kwarta. Hindi ko kasi dala yung pera ko day. Huwag na lang, wala pa siya halin. Kaluoy, oy. Bless you kuya, na sana tayo lahat, yayayaman tayo lahat. So ano na ba? Nawala ako sa aking Nawala ako sa aking topic, day. Yun na nga mga antino, hindi ko feel pag maglakad-lakad kami, day ba na. Like example, pupunta sa restaurant tapos wala kaming ordering na pagkain. Mahihiya ako mga auntie. Kagaya kanina, pumunta kami doon tapos nag-coffee lang. Tapos mahiya man ako, day. So ito, napa-order ng nasi goreng. Hindi pa pala nag-harvest ng humay dito, day. Oh. Ang ganda ng humay nila, day. Grabe. Oh. Tignan nyo nga yung humay nila, day. Anong tawag niyan, day? Kaning napaka-healthy. Hi! Drive safety!
Thank you.
Drive safety. Lalalala. Day, buti na lang talaga, day, na hindi nila ito nilagyan ng malaking kalsada dito kasi para hindi makapasok ang mga car. Sabi ko pa ni Habi, alam mo my love, dito kailangan mo talagang may lisensya ka as a driver. Sabi pa niya, hindi mo kailangan ang lisensya dito, kailangan mo is marunong kang mag-drive dahil aanuhin mo yung lisensya mo kung aabot ka pa din sa basakan ng isa. Oh. You're so,
Go back.
are you happy? Are you happy and feel healthy? Are you happy and you feel healthy?
Feel healthy, yeah.
Yeah?
Except for coughing all the time. I went up to the Indian.
No, my love, I think you have allergy. So you have to drink the cetirizine because it's for the allergy, not for your, because I noticed when you eat the spicy, you cough without just only that one. I think allergy lagi na siya, day. Kasi dito mga auntie, alam nyo na. Because, my love, there's so many mouse in here. That's what also you keep coughing. Because it's in the farm. Nagpintura na si kuya, oh. Bagus. Hala, libre water, bay. Free water. You have a new store now.
He's also deaf, can't hear.
He's a deaf. He can't hear. Hello. My love, have you noticed? They have so many Pomeranian here. They have so many Pomeranian here.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that? Also in, I think you're made in Bali, huh? Yeah. Kasi alam nyo ba mga auntie, nung pumunta din kami sa isang hotel, ang dami nilang Pomeranian na iroday. Baka dito yan ang kining, anong tawag ba nito, day? Baka dito ang Pomeranian nang galing. My love, palite siya ice cream, my love, oh. You buy him, my love, ah. Ice cream. Hoy! My love, there's an ice cream. Did you see that? He's selling ice cream. Imagine, that's what your job. So, balik na tayo sa room mga Zai and Zong. And then, magtapos ako sa aking work. Sabi pa ni Dodong kanina, what are they doing here? Na-notice kasi niya, ang dami talagang mga tao doon sa parang class. I think magbabayad ka, day. Hello! Magbabayad ka kung gusto mong mag-attend doon ng class. Pero ang tanong ni Dodong, ano bang class na pinag-uusapan nila? Ito na ano ba, oh? Ito na restaurant, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sabi ko ni mama, magawa tayo ng ganito. Oh. Kasi yung mama ko ay mahilig sa flower. Oh, yung kuha naman na plate number. Nawala na day. Nawala na. Ayan, balik na tayo sa room. Ito na tayo sa hotel. Ito yung hotel namin, Raditya Villa. Search nyo na lang. Ang ganda ng view nila. Na, Zay, wala sila rice, Zay. Saan man na nato, Zay. Okay na lang, oy. Be, ano na lang tayo, be. Thankful. In fairness, makaakyat ako sa hagdanan ng ganun kabilis. Sabi pa ni Dudong, I'm so proud of you. Because
Now to go swim because it's not sun.
now you wanna swim. That I have kuan. I have stoplight. My love, imagine, it's really amazing. I can go up to the step now.
Huh?
I can go up to the step now without too much breathing. Ay.
His love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He has chosen me. I have chosen him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between.
So, ito yung in-order ko doon sa day, sa restaurant. So, ang nangyari ngayon, watay tinidor. So, ayaw ko nang bumaba kay para lang magkuag tinidor. Pwede man nato nagkamayin. So, ito na yung lunch at saka dinner ko, day. Ayan, kain tayo. Bon appetit. Da. Alam niyo ba? Yung restaurant na dyan, gustong gusto ko yung may goreng nila. Ewan ko kung bakit. May love yun sa may goreng? Ha?
Ah.
Yum? Yum?
No, I don't want your food.
Kasi may fish, may fish sauce.
You wear a